more economically. For clearer printing, excellent choice. Texpert. Texpert T-Master, a preprocessor device that improves fabric quality before printing. Anyone can easily operate the intuitive interface of the large 7-inch touchscreen, and performance is constantly improved through regular firmware updates via smartphone. The quick nozzle attachment and detachment design allows more precise spraying by adjusting the nozzle position and amount. Pre-treated shirts, etc., can be taken out right away through the side door, making work faster. The Smart Solution Tank has a capacity of approximately 4 liters, and smart sensors help ensure uninterrupted operation.